All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Welcome back to Brainybite tutorial. Okay, we are Brainybite. If this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, we are Brainybite tutorial. Okay, so what we do in this our channel is that we talk about things that concerns schools, admission, Jamb, WAEC, NICO, and school updates. All right, so if this is your first if you're a Jamb candidate, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on all bell notifications so that when I drop any amazing video, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check out the update, because I promise all my subscribers that I'll be dropping updates for them back to back. All right, so I'll be dropping all the whole update or all the whole things you need to succeed in your admission. All right, so that's basically what I will do for you. Okay, so today our topic of today is we have UNICAL Latest news. So I'm here to give you UNICAL Latest news. All right, so before I do that, I want to give you one tip. All right, so we have a WhatsApp community. It is basically for our 2024 registered UTME candidates. All right, of course you yourself can become one of our members. The only way you can become one of our members is to let me know in the comment section that you want to join us or you want to join our WhatsApp community. All right, I'll be right there to give you my WhatsApp number, and after getting to know you on WhatsApp, I will definitely have to add you on WhatsApp. All right, so there in our WhatsApp number, WhatsApp community, you have access to Jamb, you have access to WAEC questions and answers, NICO questions and answers, free of charge. All right, so you have access to your school post UTME questions and answers. All right, so free of charge. All right, so if you want to join us, just let me know in the comment section that you want to join us. All right, so let's get right to the video. So after they just concluded Jamb UTME examination, some of my candidates came to me and were asking me the next thing to do after the examination. All right, so I promised all my subscribers that whatsoever information or whatsoever questions that all of my candidates or some of my candidates ask me, I will definitely have to come here to answer the questions, so that people out there that have this kind of questions but they don't know who to ask can equally learn from there. All right, so I want to encourage you again to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on all bell notifications, so that whenever I upload any answer or any of our questions, you will definitely have to learn from it. All right, because information is key. You need information, all right, to succeed in your Jamb if you don't want to write Jamb again next year. So let's get right to the video. So now, the next thing after Jamb UTME examination, the next thing that I await you is post UTME examination. That's the next thing I wait you, post UTME examination. So post UTME examination, for those of us that don't know, I believe so many of us knows about the examination, but so many of us did not know about the examination. So for those of us that didn't know, it is an exam that is conducted by your school or your institution of choice. All right, so let's assume that you choose University of Calabar, which is popularly known as UNICAL. You choose UNICAL as your first choice. UNICAL will be the institution that conducts that examination. That's to say that you have to register for the exam, sit the exam, pass the exam before you can be admitted into any department of your choice in the institution. All right, so you guys will be asking again, when is UNICAL post UTME form going to be out? All right, so right now the form is not out. All right, basically the form is not out. All right, since the form is not out, so you have to subscribe and turn on all bell notifications, so that whenever the form is out, I'll definitely have to update you guys, and you have to you will know from there. All right, so if you join our WhatsApp group, it will still be a very big relief to you, because all the whole informations will be posted on our WhatsApp group. All right, so I know you'll be asking again, where can you get that form? All right, so you don't need to worry yourself. We are here to help you. We are also here to serve you and help you. All right, so we'll buy the form for you. All right, we'll process the form. So once the form is on sale, if you don't know where to get the form, you don't necessarily need to go to university, the school, the institution to purchase your form. You message me direct. All right, so I'll process the form for you. After that, I'll document all your documents and forward to you on WhatsApp. All right, so that's it. Right, so we'll make things easier for you in this platform. Okay, you can also learn from our WhatsApp group. We have a WhatsApp learning group. You will learn from there, and you can also interact with your fellow aspirants there in the WhatsApp group. All right, so if you have any other thing related to your Jamb, your admission, anywhere you have any issues you want me to help you, just let me know in the comment section that, and I'll be right there to answer all of the questions for you. We are here to help you, right? So don't forget that we are Brainybite tutorial. Okay, share the video to some of your friends out there that might need this kind of information. All right, so I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video again. Don't forget I love and cherish each and every one of us. All right, keep winning.